This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about Campagna boards, specifically this Campagna rectangle natural wood small serving and cutting board. It features chrome hardware handles and it's 21.5 inches long by 12 inches wide and 1 inch deep. And it's a nice, solid, wonderful serving board. It's also available in a larger 23.5 by 14 inch size. It's made from platinum ash wood and they are heavy duty boards. They feature these great handles, making them easy to carry even when packed with delicious fare. They can be used as a serving board and display piece or as a carving board. And they have this lovely indented border all the way around to catch extra liquids. So even when you're using them as a carving board, they're really going to help to contain the mess. Meaning that these are perfect for making things like cheese and fruit displays, a charcuterie board, or even using to carve your Sunday roast. They're a versatile and useful piece for any caterer or even just using while entertaining at home.